out in either of my vans at Pickup or Luton. I've been hired today to come and drive an excavator, 45 tonner. I'm working in the quarry. I did a bit of work here a couple of weeks ago now, and I was asked if I could service the excavator, which I did. So I just did a general service, engine service, filters, antifreeze, blah blah blah, you know, all that stuff. And then I did a day or so driving excavator then. So today I'm coming to do a bit more, and this is kind of where I left off here, this bit here. So we're trying to make a new road down into the quarry. There's this one further on here has got to come out, and then there's some more bearing off to do, etc, etc. So I'll catch up with you shortly once I've got going with the job. Well, we've got a bit more done so far. I think it's about going up to 1 now. We've put quite a bit of stony fill back in, so I'm just on with levelling that out now and tracking it in. We dug quite a bit out of the top there because it was soft, and so made that up a bit. There's some crushed stone to go on top of this just to finalise it. I've took rest at banking out top corner up there and swirled it round corner. So now it's just a case of track all this in and top it off with some crushed stone, put the big blocks on sides, make it safe so no one can drive over the edge. And it's coming too slowly, so we'll just get a bit further now. Been an horrible day, you can't. It's been absolutely chucking down, and barely see out the windows because they're just misting up again. We'll get a bit further. So now I'm just tracking this in now. Just hammer it in with tracks, it breaks it up a bit, backs it down, and say it should get a good base, and then we'll get some crushed stone on it then, after that. I'm going to finish here about 4 o'clock. I'm off to get my luton van out. Coming back up here and getting a load on it, ready for off early morning. So something to do, just keep making a few quid. Just got to do what you can. The weather's been bloody awful. So. Say we'll track that in. It crushes it up. It weighs 45 tonne, this machine, so it just crushes it up, packs it in. Do anything fast track, just nice and steady. Soon have tracks off when you're in this stuff if try going a bit too fast at it, turning in, it brings tracks off under rollers underneath. Last thing we want is a track off on a day like this. It's bloody awful. Right, so I've done that, got done a bit sooner, got my work done with excavator, for today anyway. And now I'm going up with my luton van to pick a load up what has to be delivered to Leeds for 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to get that loaded tonight now. And then job's a good and we're on his way in the morning. Some weight in that baby. Right, let's rock and roll. We're back. That's today done with. Ready for an early start in the morning. Right, that'll do for today. I'm loaded, now ready for morning. I've done my day's work on excavator. That'll do. Catch you soon. See you, bye.